each answer. And you know the 100 is the y-intercept, and the 30 is the slope. So the 30 is what it changes by 30. So if you look at C, which is correct, you have $100 in your savings, so that's why it's added to it. And you deposit 30 per month. That's why the 30x. So we've gone over that several times. Hopefully you got that one right. Number 2. Which of these statements describe how to graph a linear equation when it is written in slope y equals mx plus b? So you see that the y-intercept is the b, and we talked about the slope is the m. Okay? So you read each statement so you know in order to graph, you got to plot the b, and the slope is rise over run, remember? So once you choose B, so you look at D, you plot the B, and you go up and over. So that's B is the correct. You plot B on the y-axis, then use M to go rise over run to the next point. Now we're looking at number 3. The parking rates at Easy Park are $3 for the first hour and $1.50 for each and every hour after that. Which of the following equations can be used to determine the cost C of the parking your car? So I think you're wondering, okay, why is it H? Why is A rather? And what is that H of minus 1 is? I'm glad you asked. The H minus 1 means you have to subtract 1 from the hours, okay? Because it said the first hour is $3. Okay, so that's where the 3 came from. It says 3 plus, that's the first hour. So you have to subtract 1 because the first hour has already been calculated, it's already been placed. So now in parentheses, that's why you have the H minus 1, because you have to subtract the 1 hour because you already took the first hour, which was $3. Hopefully you got that one. And number 4 can be a little complicated. Which rule represents the information on the table? So if you look, you see each, like 5 to 10, you're going up by 3 each time, right? So you know that 3 is your slope because it's changing by 3 each time. When 5 is x, 10 is y, 6 is x, 13 is y. The y's are changing by 3, okay? So now you want to know what the y-intercept is. That means y-intercept is when it crosses 0. So you need to make your x 0 by counting backwards, okay? So if x is 5, y is 10, so you count backwards for when x is 4, so you got to take away 3, and you see what's why I have 7 there. Y is 7. Then at 3, your y will be 4. You see I'm taking away 3 because that's the change is 3. And your 2, the y is 1. And then when x is 1, the y is negative 2. I'm still subtracting 3. Then when x is 0, y is a negative 5, so that's why it's B. I had omit there, but I think you may be able to follow that one. And number 5, the slope-intercept form of a line is given by the equation y equals mx plus b. What is the value of b for the graph shown? Okay, so let's look at it. Look at the value of b, that's the y-intercept. Let me point to it. Oh, I can't point. Well, you sort of see where I have it circled. On your paper, you see it real well. Where it crosses the y-axis, that is the y-intercept. Okay, so if you have any questions, feel free to send me a message on Emoto. If you need any extra help after school, on Thursday, I will stay late because I missed Wednesday, because I want you to have every opportunity to do well on the test.